Warm welcome, this is Markus Termin at the 8th of April 2024. It's the very day of the sun eclipse, and as you know, this eclipse is going to be important for the United States because it's going to be visible there. Inside this circle you see the most common chart of the United States, the foundation, and you might realize that Chiron, which is this little, key-like symbol in the sign of Aries, the wounded healer itself, is going to be touched massively by this sun eclipse. And also, this is happening in conjunction with the Chiron return. Chiron takes 50 years to go around the circle, and he's the wounded healer. What kind of wounded healer for the states? It's in the sign of the warrior. Now, doesn't that fit the wounded warrior itself? And having the sun eclipse at this very point means that there's going to be a new start of Chiron revolution around this circle. So maybe the states come to a mood that, goes over a little bit more to the healing side than to the hurting side. This is what is my deepest wishes for the next 50 years. The next 50 years, why? Because this is a 50-year circle of Chiron. It's all about Chiron. Chiron actually is a small asteroid. Was being discovered 1977, and it's very, very significant in astrology. Once you have a Chiron connection to the Sun, the Moon, to Venus or the Mars, it's very predictable where the personal wound is in your chart. Now, if you want to know anything about that in personal astrology, because what we are doing here, looking at the overall picture, is worldwide mundane astrology, but personal astrology will show how this sun eclipse work out in your chart. And if you want to get to there, why not just send me a mail up to this address down here at my German blog site. You'll find the conditions for a consultation. This is Markus Termin at the 8th of April 2024. Yes, it's all about Chiron. This sun eclipse is about Chiron. It's about healing or hurting and deciding which way to go the next 50 years for the states. There is no major other aspect being difficult or complicated being involved in this eclipse. Thank you very much for listening. This is Markus Termin, Astrologisches Stundenbuch, at the 8th of April 2024.